Recording in progress.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Growth Room with Ananta X, with myself, Frikkels, Moslo Comedy van Rensburg. I am the founder of Ananta X. I'm very fortunate, privileged, humbled, and honored to be a conduit to bringing what this is to the people out there. So tonight we're going to talk a little bit more structure. We're going to talk a little bit more planning for those of us that wants to go further. Now, what do I mean by going further? Nantex is a membership club base. We all know this. So now we're on the brink of launching the new back office, the new wallet system. I should get the test site this week so we can play around with it with a couple of days. And then from there, we will go live. So I'm really excited about that. But so the members benefit. So that's why people have to look at Ananta X. Because when it comes to auto gold accumulation, over 250 courses, 3,000 Rand worth of grocery coupons, 48 hours tutoring, potentially the health, the funeral, the online, the global system that's coming. There's no way that people cannot look. And then, of course, people have got their own choices. So tonight is for those individuals that is looking for more. This is the start of a journey for people that wants the best from this life, not just surviving. Now, if you are like me, that's what we are looking for. So tonight is the first in a 7-week series of the 7 skills that you need for ultimate success. Now, yes, something I want to run through. Success is not a talent. It's not luck. Now, I write almost everything I say on the screen. Then it's easier for people to follow. So success is skills practiced daily under pressure. Now, Ananta X wasn't built by brilliant people. No, we're not dumb. But it was built by consistent people who mastered simple skills. Now, everybody wants results, but few wants discipline. And that's why the 7 skills is going to close that gap. So the expectation is the following. If you master these 7 skills, the income becomes a side effect and not the goal. Skill number 1 is to use the product. So what does it mean? So it says accelerating your retirement. What does that mean? Accelerate your retirement means reducing the years you depend on active work by building systems that generate value while you're still productive. That means we don't have to work till 65, 70, 80, 90 just to kind of stay alive. We've got a very shortened window if you follow this. So most people work till, 60, 65. Then, they hope and pray they've got enough money made up or gathered together to kind of live out the rest of their life. And the fact is, over 96% of people will not be able to do that. That's a fact. That's a statistical fact. So with what we're teaching tonight, and if you use Ananta X as a vehicle, I'm here to tell you, in the next couple of months, in the next couple of years, very, very shortened period, if you are consistent, you can absolutely transform everything. Now, accelerating your retirement is not about stopping work early. It's about gaining other options earlier. A lot of people wait till 65 or retirement, conventional retirement, and they say, okay, when we get there, we're going to travel a little bit. When we get there, we're going to do that. No. I'm not going to wait till 65. I'm going to do it a lot earlier. So when a member accelerates their retirement, they build disciplined habits instead of relying on willpower. It's still Anyway, I'm not getting into that. Reduce monthly financial pressure through smart structures. Create leverage. There's the word, leverage. Leverage by using systems and people in a good, traditional, professional, humble way, not just personal effort. Developing income and value streams that continue even when they slow down. Because when people come to retirement, the income stops. Most people are very, very lucky. Very, if they can get 40, 50% of what they used to earn the day they retire. That's not what this is. This will keep on accelerating even if you eventually slow down. What do I mean by that? Some people think, I'm just going to get in, sign up, sit back and wait for it to come. No. We're going to have to build. We're going to have to work. We're going to have to plan. We're going to have to position ourselves in a way that will allow us eventually to stop. Because that's what this is. I want walk away residual income. Now, there's not a lot of people that's been able to do that. So the fact is, those who start building structure early don't need to panic later. Here's the motivation. Every skill you master today or in the next 7 weeks is years that you take back from tomorrow. So accelerating retirement isn't chasing freedom, it's engineering it. So why the 7 skills matter? The 7 skills are not theory. It's not hype. It's not motivation. It's not maybe. It's not, if the sun, no, nothing. They are exact skills required to move you from income dependency to time freedom. Most people delay retirement because they rely on motivation and not structure. Income instead of systems. It just blows my mind. People are earning money that's not enough. There's not enough. It's too less for the month. And then they hope when they retire it's going to be enough. How is that even possible? Anyway, effort instead of duplication. The 7 skills correct that. When followed to the letter, this program teaches you how to think like a leader. Now, we don't talk about leaders. We talk about trailblazers. That's something different, not a participant. We use proven systems instead of personal effort. There's a saying, I would rather earn 1% of 100 people's effort than 100% of my own. Create consistency through daily repeatable actions, not weekly when I feel like it, or once a month, if I've got nothing to do. That's not chasing your retirement. Building leverage by working with people and systems, not against them. So what's the outcome if you apply this? You will build habits that compound over time. You will stop chasing results and start creating momentum. You develop leaders or trailblazers who can operate without you, and that's the goal. That's the goal. Some people, they want to be in charge so bad. They would have people and they would just kind of keep them there. So, they can kind of cock-a-doodle-doo. No. If you want to fly with the eagles, you can't look with the chickens. You accelerate your retirement by building something that continues to work even when you step back. That's the sentence. That's what I want. It's not about doing more. It's about doing the right things consistently. Follow the system, trust the system, follow the skills, and let time do the rest. Now, the 7 skills exist to move you into that 5%. So what is the 5%? That's the 5% of the population that when they slow down, the income does not. There is sufficient to keep on going even when you are not active anymore. That 5% is where part of your legacy is, where you leave behind something, not just money. Leadership begins with alignment. So what is the frame we want to talk about? Now, leaders or trailblazers, listen carefully. Never ask people to do what they are not willing to do themselves. Retirement fails when leaders do not use the benefits. That's why this is number one, is using. Because if using the product eliminates internal conflict. I'll make a video. I was at Pick n Pay on Sunday. I had to rush in because I was looking for some chia seeds. Anyway, I'll tell you more about that later. And my grandson was with me. And as we were kind of walking to the tills, he said, "Opa, we don't have, you don't have peanut butter at home." I said, "My boy, I'm so sorry. Let's go grab." And he was looking and he wanted to grab for a certain one. I said, "No, no, 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 no. We're taking that one." He said, "Why?" I said, "I'll tell you later, but we're taking that one." He said, "Okay." So we took I think it's a 400-gram Black Cat peanut butter. It was on Kickers promotion something. I've got the slip here. I'll make the recording. Is it 8 or 9 rand? It was 8 rand off the shelf price with this Checkers whatever. And I know that as an Hunter X, I get a 10 rand coupon. So that means I saved 18 rand on one item. So I taught him something. I said, my boy, let grandpa tell you how this works. Anyway, so we went through the thing. So I took that 18 rand and I bought him an ice cream. Now that's maybe not a very powerful example. Now, as the founder of an Hunter X, let me tell you, I am fired up beyond recognition because I saved 18 rand on a peanut butter. There's no conflict in me if this works or not. There's nothing anybody can say. Anyway, it removes hesitation. I don't have to think. Does it work? I wonder, maybe, yes, maybe no. There's no hesitation, and it builds quiet, listen carefully, authority. Not being, cocky. But I can talk with authority about this. People don't trust explanations. They trust patterns of behavior. So I bought this peanut butter. Now I'm going to kind of sit at home and I'm going to just use the same one over and over and over and over and over and over for the next 20 years. People are going to think, "Oh, good Lord, he's going to talk about the peanut butter again." But in 2 days' time, I'm buying a bread. And then I'm buying this, and then I'm buying that. And people are going to see, but listen, whoa. He was talking about peanut butter, and now he's bought this, and he's got that, and now he's talking about insurance that he's saving and gold, and it is a pattern. What is the deeper teaching in this? There are 3 levels of belief. One is informal belief that says, "You know what, I understand. I understand that you saved 18 rand on some freaking peanut butter." And there's emotional belief. "Oh, yeah, it's kind of okay." And then you get identity belief, which says, "This is how I live." The people that know me knows I am Ananta. I will never buy any other peanut butter than Black Cat. I will never buy any dishwashing soap except MAC because I get discount. I get a coupon. This is just the way it is. This is how I live. So here's the thing. Emotional and informal belief does not duplicate. That is just kind of pie in the sky. But identity belief, that duplicates. Because the people that's around me know I have got belief in this. They're not even going to try. Anyway, listen carefully, if your retirement plan, if this idea that you want to get there sooner, have a better life, retire at least financially independent, not having to depend on other people to look after you, if that idea is not part of your daily life, it's never going to happen. If you're going to trust a paycheck, you are 96% in trouble. If you're going to trust with full respect, whatever, we need systems. Anyway, now the 5-step integration, a lot of this stuff is duplication, but it's there for a reason. So in the 5-step system, step 1 is the curiosity. If I would you, people are going to hear and listen me saying, if I would you, and then obviously we're going to start sharing the experience. So when belief is eternal, words become unnecessary. I told you, I've spoken to people. I didn't do if I would you. I was so confident. I just phoned them and said, I'm sending you a link, register, make the payment. I'll talk to you later. I've done it. Obviously, these are people that I trust and they know me. And they did, and they in. Anyway, I believe is the retirement bridge. What do I mean by that? The benefits. Because of the monthly savings, we reduce leakage. That 18 Rand that I just saved. So let's say it's 18 Rand and then it's another 5 and 30. And so when you come by the end of the month, you've thrown away 100, 200, 500 Rand. Thrown it away. The auto gold enforce discipline because I know next month I'm getting gold again and I'm getting gold again. The education is long-term thinking upgrade. So here's a leadership lesson. Retirement is protected by systems, not intentions. Duplication assignment, you guys know me. Teach one person this sentence. I don't promote Ananta X, I live it. Now, if I say teach this to one person, maybe that person might be you listening to this. And here's a quote from me. Integrity is doing today. Listen carefully what your future self depends on. Let's say, now I don't believe in time travel, all that kind of crap. I don't. I believe that, anyway, it doesn't matter. So, but let's say you just suddenly appear to yourself, but you look a little bit older. And this somebody that looks like you is you from 10 years from now. So they jump back in time 10 years in the future to come and visit you today or tomorrow. They look at you in the face and they say, do this, please trust me. Our life is going to be better if you do this. Just do this. Anyway, it's kind of fun. The tools that we're going to use is the growth room. You're on it. So focus with the growth room is identity alignment. I'm aligning myself with Ananta X. I'm not ashamed of Ananta X. I walk loud and proud. I don't hide my name. I'm there. Everybody, I don't care who sees it. I'm there because this is part of my identity. I'm leading by example and I'm living the benefits before talking about income. Ananta X is benefits first, value. The key leadership emphasis is leaders or trailblazers. We don't convince, we demonstrate consistency. You speak to somebody, something happens. A week later, you're still talking about this Ananta X thing. They're thinking, wow. A month later, you're still talking, they're thinking, gee. 3 months later, you're still talking about Ananta X and they say, sure, maybe I should look again. Anyway. So then we've got the Zoom integrations, which is if you're on the 7-week course, is mandatory for you because it lets prospects see structure, not opinion. So we're going to invite people to come and have a look. Invite at least 2 people to a Zoom presentation this week. Say nothing extra. Let the benefits and the auto gold speaks for itself. There's a WhatsApp invite that I sent out on all the groups. Just send it out to 20 people, 30 people, 50 people. Take your whole phone. You've got 1,000 numbers. Send it to everybody. See what happens. Here's a leadership lesson. Authority transfers. Listen carefully when you stop explaining and start pointing. We got the WhatsApp presentation objective. That's to create daily exposure habits. Listen carefully. Now, people are going to say, yeah, but Frick, the WhatsApp presentation is only Wednesday on and Saturday. No. I can copy and paste it. I actually sent it to somebody yesterday. I went onto the WhatsApp group. I copied all of the messages and I sent it to somebody else. We're in the process. We're actually at step 4 in the 5-step system. They're going to join. So here's what I'm saying. You don't have to wait for Wednesday and Saturday. Copy, paste. There's another lady. I said, you know what? Start your own group. Yeah, but she said, yeah, but there's another. She said, I said, hey, start your own group with your own. You simply go into the WhatsApp presentation, copy, paste, and you paste it and copy and send it to them. So the WhatsApp presentations link today, even if one person is invited, your goal is to have at least one person join the WhatsApp presentation group or you send it to somebody else. Here's a duplication rule. Daily small actions is better than occasional big effort. I've said it so many times. I would rather speak to one person a day, one person a day, one person a day, one person a day than sign up 500. I would. Anyway, final integration statement. The growth room trains trailblazers. The Zooms builds belief, and the WhatsApp presentation builds behavior. And when you combine all these three, your retirement will accelerate. So week 1 is use the product. What is the product? It is the benefits. I told you, over the weekend, my daughter drove and a rock hit her windscreen, so it's starting to crack. Now, I've got short-term insurance through an Antax. So I went there, and it's not a lot of money. It's a couple of R100. So I'm like, should I just pay? And I'm like, no. Number 1 is use the product. So I made a call. I sent an email. I got an authorization number. Insurance going to pay for it. I've got it. Why am I not going to use it? I really don't hope we're going to, start having stockings, because I don't know if I'll look good in stockings. I've got some biennale going here. But that's the point. If you don't use it, if you don't use the benefits, why are you a member? There's so many people that I speak to. They're like, I got a call. They said, this is a little bit expensive. I said, what do you mean it's expensive? No, I've got to pay the membership every month, and I'm thinking of losing them, not paying anymore. I said, oh, that's fine by me. Just don't pay. But just before we go on, are you using the coupons? They said, no. I said, okay. Have you applied for short-term insurance to see if they can save you some money? No. No, I haven't had time. I said, okay. We got gold coming and 250 courses. And I'm like, that's the thing. That's why this is number 1. If somebody's not using the benefits, don't let them pay. Don't let them join. Please, I'm begging you. I've got a lady now. It's very interesting. Anyway, so she's known my wife for quite a bit, and she came up to me about end of last week. She said, "Listen, now this is kind of funny." She said, "Do you know about that Ananta X thing?" I'm like, I kind of heard of it. Anyway, I was just playing. I said, anyway, so she found out somewhere about the funeral. The health. She says, I've got story. I really want this product. I said, okay, so if you become a Nantex member, then waiting period, blah, blah, blah. And I said, obviously, if you're a member, you get this and this and that and gold. And she's like, what? Anyway, I'll help her. The 5-step focus is step 1, the curiosity. If I were you, If I would you once a day at least, if you are accelerating your retirement. So if it's not happening the way you want, check your actions. There's no other way. You can't anyway. If I would you, if I could show you how to get gold, would you look? If I could show you whatever, would you? So using the product is not about belief, it is about creating unconscious curiosity. Oh, how's that? Anyway, people don't ask because of your words, they ask because of observable consistency. When they see you talking about this X thing and then and again and again and again and again and again and again, that's how it works. Step 5, the integration, curiosity step, obviously. Now, the curiosity step happens before the conversation. That is so powerful. Don't try and explain Anantex to somebody over the phone in a 5-hour session and then try and no. Here's a question. If I could show you how to get gold every month, would you look? No. Goodbye. Cheers. I'm out. I'm not going to try and convince them. That's not what a trailblazer do. That's not what a retirement accelerator does. If you're not curious enough, I'm out. So what I mean by the conversations, it doesn't matter your lifestyle, your language, or your emotions. It doesn't matter. If you use the benefits, curiosity forms naturally. If you don't, you compensate verbally. Leadership skills development. Self-leadership, doing the right thing without an audience. These are the skills that you are developing as a trailblazer, linking into the 7 skills program, doing the daily actions that it's required for you to accelerate your retirement, is self-leadership, is doing the right thing without an audience. I'm going to phone one person a day. Doesn't matter if I'm on the car, if I'm on the road, if I'm on the toilet, doesn't matter. I don't care who's there. I'm doing this because it is my retirement. Integrity of action, because behavior matches intention. It builds character, patience, allowing belief to grow naturally. These are the skills that we are developing with us. At a trailblazer at this level, we don't oversell. I don't explain this to anybody. I don't rush conversations. I'm not, quickly going to try and, come on, man, just do this. No. No. I'm professional because I'm calm. Because this conviction that I have is internal. The belief is inside me. I don't have to pour it out to anybody. I don't have to prove anything to anybody. I know I've just saved 18 Rand on peanut butter. You've got no idea how fired up I am about that. Trailblazers attributes. This is what's required. To become effective at this skill, a trailblazer must develop personal discipline. Remember, this is your retirement, your future. We can't, in a year or 2 or 5 or 10 or 20 or 30 years from now, kind of look back and say, oh, that one and that one and that one. When we started, we were all together, but now they're there and then I'm still, no. It's personal discipline, emotional maturity. Here's what I want to tell you tonight. You don't need anybody's approval. Please listen. If you don't hear anything else tonight, listen to this. You do not need any other living human being's approval to do what is right and required for your future. Delayed gratification mindset. This is long-term thinking, the retirement view. Yes, I'm looking at 10 years or 5 years or 20 years or 50 years from now. But I understand if I don't have the personal discipline and the emotional maturity to be strong enough, I'm never going to get there. Trailblazers don't rush results. We build foundations. If I show somebody that say, I want to join right now, I said, okay, but we haven't even gone through the 5 steps. And no, I'm not worried about it. I said, no, well, then you can't join. I want to know. I'm taking you through the system. No, but I want to join now. I said, you can't join. There's a system. I need you to go through the system. Then you know what it looks like. Then I'm going to join somebody else. Well, goodbye. Goodbye. Find somebody else. I'm building a foundation. If I take somebody through the process, they must know exactly how to do this. They've gone this. They know what the 5-step system is. They know what a Zoom is. They know that there is a what. They must know this stuff. Leadership growth indicator. You are growing. Listen carefully. When people ask you questions without you prompting, that's when you're growing. When you get these random questions from people that might be in your team or in your leadership or in your circle or in your whatever you want to call it, you kind of get these random questions and you're like, where the hell did this question come from? Why? That is leadership attributes. Because they know you are the person to ask. They don't always phone support, though they should. They phone you. And they want to know by you. They phone you and say, hey, sorry, I'm not sure where to get the WhatsApp link. You know, please just help me. You know, I've been at this Pick n Pay in Moerlandspan, and they say the coupons doesn't work. They phone you. Then you know you're growing. When you speak, when you speak less but with more certainty. If somebody asks me, does an Hunter X really work? Yes, my answer, yes. That's my answer. I don't need to explain this to anybody. I'm not going to. I don't want to. Does it work? Yes. You know, is it really FSP and all this legal? Is it really legal? Yes, my professional answer, yes. Do you think it's going to work? Yes, my professional answer, yes. You know, I'm going to kind of just join, not do anything and, you know, see if I can. Do you think I should do it? Yes, my professional answer, no. Anyway, so that is kind of, I know that that's a lot. You have to go through this next week. If you are really focused on accelerating your retirement, building these skills that can catapult you to the 5% of the population on this planet when it comes to independency, when it comes to time freedom. How do you get time freedom if money is out the way? I'm not chasing the millions, I'm chasing the freedom. Freedom comes at different levels to different people. You can have somebody that's earning 5,000 Rand a month through an Hunter X and they feel like they're millionaires because they used to be unemployed for 20 years. You can get somebody that just, you know, is earning just an extra 20,000 Rand a month out of an Hunter X, and that's all that they required. Just to kind of, you know, add to what they have, to just take that edge off. There's no money amount. That's what I love about life. Everybody, you know, Here's a question. If people think you got money, are you a millionaire? What the hell does that mean? So you're asking me, do I have R1 million in the bank? What does that mean? What do you do with R1 million? Nothing. You can't even buy a proper, a decent flat. Never mind a decent property. Most reputable cars cost more than R1 million. What the hell does that mean? Are you a millionaire? No. Ask me if I am working to become independent and get all the time back. That's the right question. Anyway, I'm not going to wait, maybe. Let me close this. So next week, we're going to work on number 2. So your homework, if you choose to, for this week, is to get this. Now, this will be posted on the Ananta X Academy YouTube site. All the training, everything is going on to the Ananta X Academy YouTube site. Everything. It will not be posted on the normal groups. It will not be posted on the normal YouTube site. This is part of the Ananta X Academy. This is Growth Room. This is for those individuals. Why do I do it like this? Sorry, this might, what's the time? 20 minutes. That's okay, man. We're talking about our future. Now, I've been through and have done and have attended. I can't tell you how many courses. But there's something that I've always noticed. They don't give you the material. If you come and they give you 3 pieces of paper and a sticky potlood that doesn't write, and then you sit there like a monster trying to just write down all the notes. And what is this guy's? That's why I do this. I'm giving it to you. I can charge thousands and thousands and thousands of rands for this material. Thousands. I can become filthy rich by selling this kind of stuff. But that's not what this is. This is for Ananta X members. All the stuff I do is for you guys. Am I the best? No. Am I the only one? No. But is it worth it? Yes. Because this stuff works. I know it works. I've done it. I've tested it over and over and over and over and over. It works. So next week, we're going to talk about, so the first skill is use the products. Yeah, but tricky. How's it a skill? Because it's a discipline. You have to. Everything I could have, I was kind of in a hurry and there was like 5, 6, 7, 8 people in the queue, and I could have, I could have taken the freaking peanut butter and left. No. Personal discipline. That's why it's a skill that you need to be attent on what you do every day, on where I can use it. So next week, number 2, listen carefully. Build and respect your names list. Skill number 2, next week. I'll stop this. We'll quickly say hello.